Hey guys, and welcome back to Mr. Phil 360, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a Snapchat account. So once you've downloaded the app, you're going to open it. You're then going to press sign up at the bottom. You're then going to type in your first name and your last name. So let's just say for now our first name is you, second name is name. You're then going to press sign up and accept, the blue button here. You're then going to give them your birthday, so whatever your birthday is, let's just say this is our birthday, 31st of October. You're going to press continue again, so the blue button in the middle. It's then going to give you a username. However, if you don't like your username, you can make your own one. Just press change my username. Here you can do whatever username you want. If it's available, it will say username available. Then you can press continue. It will then ask for a password. Let's just say our password is 12341234. That's 8 letters long. It has to be at least 8 characters long. Press continue again. Now it's going to ask for your mobile number. If you don't have a mobile number, you can use an email instead. If you press the little button here, sign up with email. Then here it will either email you or text you a link, and if you press that link, should take you to Snapchat and you'll have your account and you can start using the app right away. So that's how to make a Snapchat account, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care.